Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of starting your own digital marketing agency. We'll follow a simple sequence. What is a digital marketing agency, how to get started, and the pros and cons. Let's jump right in. First, let's define what digital marketing agency is. Simply put, it's a company that offers a range of services to help other businesses promote their products or services online. These services can include search engine optimization, SEO, social media management, pay-per-click advertising, content marketing, and more. Now, let's explore how you can start your own digital marketing agency. This journey can be broken down into several key steps. Step 1. Niche selection. First, identify your niche. It's crucial to specialize in a particular industry or service. This helps you stand out and target a specific audience effectively. Step 2. Legalities and business structure. Next, consider the legalities. Register your business, choose a suitable legal structure, and ensure a comply with local regulations. Step 3. Skill development. Invest in skill development. Stay updated with latest trends and technologies in digital marketing. Certification can also add credibility to your agency. Step 4. Team building. As your agency grows, assemble a team of skilled professionals. Collaborate with experts in various areas to offer comprehensive services. Step 5. Tools and resources. Leverage digital marketing tools and resources. Softwares for SEO, social media management, and analytics will be your best friends. Step 6. Client acquisition. Don't forget client acquisition. Build a portfolio, network, and use effective marketing strategies to attract your first clients. Pros and cons. Let's wrap up with a look at the pros and cons of starting your own digital marketing agency. Pros. Number 1. Autonomy. The autonomy is incredible. You are the boss, making decisions, setting your work hours, and choosing your clients. Number 2. Earning potential. The earning potential can be substantial. With the right client and strategies, the sky's the limit. Number 3. Creativity. You can be creative. Digital marketing allows you to think outside the box, creating unique campaigns for the clients. Cons. Number 1. Competition. On the flip side, competition is fierce. You'll be competing with established agencies and freelancers. Number 2. Uncertainty. There's an element of uncertainty. Client work can be unpredictable, and it may take time to build a steady client base. Number 3. Responsibility. You are responsible for everything, from client satisfaction to financial aspects. This can be overwhelming. Starting your own digital marketing agency is an exciting journey. It offers immense potential for growth and creativity, but it comes with its fair share of challenges. Whether you're just getting started or already on your journey, remember, the continuous learning and adaptability are key to success in this ever-evolving field. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more digital marketing tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.